So this is the original exhaust on the 2022 Honda CB500X. Pretty big, covers a lot of the swing arm. Not the greatest sounding, but we'll give it a start up. 212 kilometers on the clock. Not the most awe-inspiring, but what I'm going to put on is this nice little arrow. Stay tuned. Okay, so that's with it installed. Very simple installation. 2 minutes. 12mm socket there. The old one is a 12mm socket, but it's replaced for a 8mm Allen key. Down there. Now it's still got the DB killer installed, so let's see how that sounds. Okay, so I've taken the DB killer out. That's it there. Just unscrews with a little 10mm bolt. A little bit tight, but nothing too major. Now let's give it a run with that.